license and insurance, please?
I don't have a license copy, but I do have a license.
Okay, you just don't have it with you. What's your name? 2 M's?
1 M.
1 M. Okay, so that's what I gotta ask. What's your birthday? Where are you headed from?
I'm coming from my house.
Where are you going?
To one of my buddy's house.
Yeah. You got an ID on you, man?
I don't.
What's your name? Sorry, it was Sean. Can you spell that for me? Okay, what's your birth date? Right, you got insurance?
I'm not sure that I have.
Oh, is this your car? Can you pull it up on your phone? Okay, do that and I'll be right back.
Covert off.
Hey! Come back here. What are you doing, man?
I'm just getting out of the car, dude. I ain't trying to do nothing. I'm getting out.
Just stay here. Just stay here on the ground.
All right.
Stay here on the ground. 348, start us back.
I just want to get ran over. Hey! Hey!
Hey! .348 expedite. 348, 329's been pulled in the vehicle and he's heading southbound on Elma. They're now eastbound. 10-4, they're fleeing and he's in the vehicle. They're in the median now at 25.
How's it going, guys? Hey, he's coming up on that side. He'll talk to you. How you doing tonight, man? What you guys out doing? Still awake or getting ready for bed? Still awake or getting ready for bed? Like you just wake up and you're going to work, or you've been up all night? Oh, okay. Nice. What are you working on? Is it? Did you get it running or what? That's cool. Whose vehicle is this? Yours? Is it registered to you or somebody else?
Mine and my girlfriend.
Okay. What's her name?
Bridget.
Bridget? Okay. Hey, what's your name again, man? Sean? Can I talk to you real quick? Can you hop out for me real fast?
I'm not answering questions.
That's fine. I'd just like you to hop out real quick for me. Okay, I'm still asking you to hop out of the car though, Sean. Hey, so listen to me. Don't drive off. Don't drive off. Hey. What are we doing? Don't drive. Hey, what are you doing, man? Pull him back there. He's driving. Hey, don't do it. Don't fucking do it. I will fucking show me your hands right now. Put your fucking hands up. Don't you fucking do it. Don't you? If you drive away with me, I will fucking kill you. Hey, I'm gonna fucking shoot you. I'm gonna fucking shoot you, or I will fucking shoot you. Stop the fucking car. I'm gonna fucking shoot you right now. Last chance. I'm gonna fucking shoot you.
Shoot me.
I'm gonna fucking shoot you.
Shoot me then.
What are you doing?
Come on.
Stop the fucking car. Go! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! 329 shots fired! 329 shots fired! Show me your head! Show me your head! .329, we're F Street, Beverly Street, Bryant Stock Trail. Again, I got shots fired, 1 male down, start EMS. You wouldn't fucking stop, you kept reaching? Yeah. Where's the other passenger at?
Take off the man.
No, I appreciate you doing that. 329. We're gonna be on I-25. McKinley exit. Northbound. Let's get him out of the car. Start. Let's. Got him. We need to get him. 329. All officers are okay. 1 male. He's been shot. We're trying to get him out of the car to start medical right now.